Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on real quick and do a quick update of the List Infinity platform. It is a platform that you can watch one free video and have a viral income system that pays you $100 per sale instantly. Well, not just that, right? It'll also build your list, a massive viral email list. And I'll explain that real quick of how that works, right? So say like if I share this free system to this person here, right? Now that person, by accepting it, seeing the value in whatever this offer is, which actually is training and a way to build your list, right? He'll take it, put his name in my capture page, and guess what? I got his name on my list. Building my list, right? It gets better than that though. Once that person shares it with the next person, right? Now, that person says, oh, shoot, he is on his list now. But then as that third person starts promoting it and giving away their platform, he's building his own list, giving away value to get people's emails on his list. But all of a sudden, the magic happens. The fifth lead that comes in jumps up to the second person, right? So now he's building his sponsors list. And now, when the fifth lead that he gets jumps into mine, I'm building my list too. So that's how you virally build a list off the efforts of others. And I don't even have to promote it no more. I promoted it once, boom, there it is. Now, the secret is when someone sees the value in what the List Infinity platform has, the value of the training, the value of the vacation, the value of the 4 additional residual income streams, then they'll say, well, wait a minute, I need to position myself in the proper spot. And it's only $100, one-time upgrade, no monthly fees. You get a whole website, right? No hosting, no nothing, but you can flip $100 over and over and over again, plus get 4 additional income streams from affiliate tools that we all need in this business, right? So say that third person sees the value, but the second person didn't, who I gave it to. So that third person upgrades one time, $100. Now, who does he pay? Well, that $100 is going to jump into my pocket because the person I shared this with did not see the value, didn't position himself properly. Perhaps he thought $100 was too much, right? But the third person didn't, so he invested it. Now he's able to earn $100 commissions, and his money jumped into my pocket. You don't want to be that middle guy. You want to be properly positioned to make those $100. Now, the target audience for this whole platform are people who are in the building list business, which in reality is all of us affiliates. Now, with all of that out of the way, I want to show you some updates of what I accomplished since. I'm not bragging, I'm just showing you, because if I can do it, you can. I don't even do this full time. I've got a job, right? But if I can do this, you can. And also, by the end of the video, I'll share some bonuses that if you partner with me. So anyway, I'll show you update. Let me show you the quick high converting capture pages, at least one of them, that you get with this system. So here is one of the high converting capture pages that you get. Like I said, a person's email just goes here. If they're enticed by what this says, if they want a viral income system that pays you $100 per sale instantly, they're going to opt into this page. You have a little bit of social proof here. Now, once they enter their email in this page, where are they going to go? They're going to go on my list, right? But also they're going to be taken to what they exchanged their email for. And that is this information here, right? This free video that they wanted to see to learn how they can make $100 instantly. By doing that, they're building my list. And every person that repeats that step comes onto my list or gets passed up. And now I can email them any opportunity I want, right? Even this one here. So that's how you create a viral email list. And like I said in the previous example, if you position yourself to maximize everything you see here, once you see the value, once you see the vision, once your affiliate marketing sense, your spidey senses kick in, you'll be like, man, I can make some money with this by giving this to other affiliates to build their list. And there's also a strategy in this too. And I'll just drop that jewel real quick. Just think about this. Whenever you do an offer for any of your primary businesses, right? Why not use this tool as an incentive? use this tool as, hey, if you partner with me in XYZ, I'll also give you a free viral list building website, right? Why not? Why not have this link in the PS line of any of your emails for any of your opportunities as you send them out as a bonus free list builder? Why not? One more idea. Why not you just put it in your My Lead Gen secret email blast in the PS line as a PS, thanks for checking out my email, here's something free. Or thanks for checking out my YouTube video on XYZ. There will be a free link. There will be a link in the description box for a free viral email builder, right? It's so simple that you can share this and they can share it, and you can really virally create $100 instant commissions and build your list at the same time, which is awesome. Now, here's some other capture pages that you get. These are high converting. Here's the upgraded knowledge is power. Here's the upgraded training that you get when you upgrade to Pro. You get Facebook strategies, 10K blueprints, TikTok marketing, YouTube authority, Instagram secrets, also your mindset reprogramming, right? And also you'll get a free vacation, any one of these choices of 125 exotic locations, all for $100. And also you'll get the main thing here, which is the List Infinity whole platform that you can set up in 3 simple steps. And like I said, if you upgrade, you also get an additional things. Here's some social proof that's on the same sale page to entice people to go to that next step. But ultimately, you come in as a free member, check it out. Once you're a free member, reach out to me and I'll help you, I'll answer any of your questions or whatever, right? But if you upgrade, now, if you upgrade under me, not only will you get the Pro membership things here where you can earn $100 per sale, where you get a free vacation, where you get to add 4 additional income streams, you get all the training, you get all the super secrets that get get these top earners, this attraction marketing techniques with these social media platforms is all here. It's included, right? Also, like I said, no monthly fees. You get private Facebook access, right, to the group. Not only that, I will give you 100 clicks to your List Infinity capture page just for upgrading to Pro with me. But it has to be with me, and you have to show me proof that you upgraded. Reach out, let me know. I'll look for you in the back office or whatever, and we'll get you set up and get you some free clicks, 100 free clicks, right? That's if you upgrade with me, right? And I don't have a problem with that because, like I said, our success is linked, right? If you're successful, I'm successful. If I help you build your list, I'm actually helping myself, right? I'm building my own list every 5th lead, right? So it's a win-win-win, and we're all in, right? That's exactly how that works. I think Michael Price said that, win-win-win. That's all in or something like that. But so that's how that works. That's the sales page, and that's how that all works, and that's how you can generate a massive viral email list and also create a stream of $100 commissions coming in 100%. Now, here's a quick little bridge page that I've been using on some of my opportunities where I just make a review video. Here's just a tactic. Make a review video. I use the Power Lead system. I ain't dropping names or nothing. Make a bridge page. Put some information here. I have my upgrade information here, right? I have a way to contact me here. Have a display in this video, and this takes me my bridge page after whatever capture page sometimes, or if I have it posted on social media, it'll take you straight to the offer, and then from there you go from there. But ultimately, I just use the standard capture page unless it's in my email follow-up, right? This is what I use in my email follow-ups, right? So anyway, we can go from here to, I'll show you some proofs now. So this is my Facebook page, and I just put my proofs here so I can refer people back to this is my platform, right? I refer people back to my page where they can see the different successes that I have in different opportunities. No, not to brag, but to show people that things are possible, really, that even me, even I can do it too, right? So if I can do it, you can, right? And so here's one of the proofs that I have. Here's someone who came in today, 32 minutes ago. I posted this. I got a sale at 9:41 p.m. Congrats, Robert. Reach out, and I hope you get your 100 clicks, right? And here's another one I had earlier today. 4 hours ago at 5:07, right? Congrats, Michael. Reach out. I'll get your clicks. And I always just, like I contacted Michael, let him know. He's setting up a system. Once he gets it set up, he'll send me the link, and then I'll go ahead and get the clicks clicking. Right? I'll get the clicks clicking. We get the clicking, right? And then I had only one more sale. Let me see. I'm just scrolling down here. I know I'm just showing my page, like, whatever. I thought I had one more posted here. Oh, right here. Then I had this guy was Sean. Again, it was during Black Friday. It was a $25 discount. So he came in at $75, and I still gave him 100 clicks because he upgraded under me. But he saw the value to come in at the 75 so he can make unlimited number of $100, right? He didn't miss out on that sale, right? It was awesome. So that's my proofs. What I want to do is go over to the private Facebook group that you'll get access to and just run through this real quick. Again, I posted the proof and how the system works in the group just as social proof that people can use in order to promote and further their business. Just like Jenna, she's providing proof. We're doing welcomes to the group. Other people are joining. Other people are coming in. So just imagine each one of these persons coming in is $100 bills in somebody's pocket. Here's me welcoming Michael again. Here's Jenna with another a new member to the community, and it just keeps going on and on and on and on. Now, and here's and then the cool thing is this. The cool thing is this. This is all doable, and why? Because with these tools, let me go here. With the tools that you get in this system, right? You can do it. You can learn your Facebook strategies and promote successfully on Facebook. You can learn the 10K blueprint, a step-by-step guide to earning $10,000 a month. You can do TikTok videos, right? Because it tells you how to leverage TikTok in your marketing. You can do YouTube videos. I do them. It can tell you how to use that leverage to build a list and to generate constant traffic to any link, to any business, to promote any opportunity. You also have Instagram. I'm not on Instagram, I'm not on TikTok, but these kind of things are useful. And this is how you leverage these social media platforms in order to, create your own business and to be successful and to do that whole attraction marketing thing. And it all boils down to your mindset. If you could believe it, you could do it. And if you believe you can do it, you can do anything you want, right? It's all up in your mind, right? And of course, one last thing again, you can always take a vacation after you get all of this free time and you have your team, you're using your team as leverage to create your list and to create those $100 days for you. You can always take a vacation, right? But anyway, that's all that I got here. I just wanted to do this quick update of the List Infinity platform just to show you that I am creating, I had 2 sales today, so that's a $200 day. So it is definitely possible. And like I said before, if I can do it, you can do it. I mean, I'm part-time. I'll work like 12 hours a day. So I know that if I can do it, you can do it. And you just got to believe in yourself and grab the opportunity. Seize the opportunity. Start creating your list and start generating those $100 commissions daily. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the content. There'll be links in the description box below for the List Infinity platform. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.